going on, guys? Happy Friday, man. Bitcoin being a little boring now. Someone asked in the chat, would I rather, it's probably gonna be one of these days, would I rather lose my toes or my fingers? I definitely rather lose my toes. No doubt, no doubt. Because I think you could still walk without toes, but without fingers, you'd be absolutely fucked. That's my answer, though. Happy Friday, man. What's up, Rot? Brocus? Nola? Hopefully Bitcoin's not boring like it's been most of today. Alright, catch you guys in a little bit. Yo! What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Bitcoin's being boring today, as I guess we're kind of used to for certain periods of time. But what's up? What's up? What's up? Skillful Nuts Flush Rot Interactive K Dildo Schwaggins. What a name, man. What a name, man. Get away from me with those dildos, though. What's up? This dong is so damn sexy. I agree, Skillful. I agree. Fingers down my spine. Someone asked earlier, would you rather have fingers or toes? That's a very, very easy question. I just want to reiterate. You can walk without toes. You can't do shiza without fingers. That is a terrible, terrible question. All right, so let's discuss what do we think is going to happen with BTC next, and what the current price action is. So let's jump on in, man. Let's jump on in. Smack up that like button as we get started here, and we'll get the party started, man. Let's enjoy this Friday night. Come on, let's get it. I just put in a massive short. Yes! I just put in an absolute massive short. Hold on. I gotta go to my room. Hold on, guys. I gotta go to my room. I'll be right back. Oh, God. I just put a massive short in. Holy shit. 22,200. I'm not going to get liquidated, guys. I promise. You need to short Bitcoin right now. We're right at the 800 EMA. If you don't short, you're going to get wrecked. Wrecked. You need to short. Stop being dumb. I don't want to see you guys get wrecked. I want to see you guys get shoes. It sucks. Just like me. Please short. Please. I beg you. I love you guys. All right. I'll see you later. Yo. What's going on, man? Hold on. Let me fix this real quick. This is all type of jacked up. There we go. There we go. Actually, Mike's gonna complain about the little white dot there. Happy Friday, man. I got my Coors Light. I'm here ready to chill out, talk some charts. We got the third stream of the day coming on today, but let's get busy here. Let me take a sip. Let's have some fun tonight, man, because the chart on Bitcoin's kind of being a little boring on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute going up, down, sideways, backwards. It's doing every type of thing it could possibly do. So, what can we expect going forward? The 15-minute isn't really giving us too much, but if you look at it right now, we're holding the 50 EMA. All is good. All is good on the 15-minute time frame. We're holding the 50 EMA. So, as my good friend George would say, at least on the 50-minute, I am George. We're all George, right? You better say you're freaking George. You better say you're freaking George. No, you need to be George. You need to be George. Horse guy, you're George, right? Yeah, George, don't worry. I will always be George. We're going to the friggin' moon. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not worried. Thank you, horse guy. Yes, we are going to the freaking moon. So smack up that like button for Jordan, because we are building a solid base here at 21,700, okay? Set 21,700. We're building a solid base, all right? That's all I have to say, man. All right, but no, we're building a solid base at 21,700. But if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we need to talk here. We need to talk. We got some interesting things going on here, man. We all need to talk. What's going on, Keith? The new word of the day is derp. I hope I know what that means. And I'm not saying some inappropriate word, as I like to do a lot. I love to say inappropriate words. You guys know that. What are we looking at on the 1 hour time frame, man? Because, Clint, I will not be easing on the yelling. Deal with it. All right, what do we got going on? So, guys, we're really doing the same price action that we did up top, okay? You know, the daily close is going to be interesting today, right? We want to get a daily close above the W reversal highs, which I think we're going to do today. But we need to talk. We need to talk here, okay? We have this downtrend of resistance on the 1 hour time frame. We broke out of that. Well, we all knew that. We broke out. We had a nice little pump to the upside. We went all the way up to 22,500 today, okay? Congratulations. We're going to the moon. All right, we already went to the moon.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Okay, so we didn't quite hit the 800 EMA yet, but here's the thing. Here's the thing. We've done this before, and we need to be careful here. We need to be careful at this range because we talked about this morning, but we did the same thing up here, guys, all right? Where we had this downtrend of resistance. We pumped up to the moon. Everyone was getting pumped, even Rover. I am super, super excited right now. Guys, I am super, super excited. Bitcoin is going to the moon. I smell a pump. I smell a pump. Chris, get out of there. Chris, get out of there. No, not right now. Not right now. I'm streaming. Get out from down there. Get out from down there. And yes, guys. And yes, I think we are going to go out to the absolute moon here. I'm going to put in a 100x long position right here on this breakout. And right here, I am going to put a 100x long position as well and add to my trade. So sign up using my Bybit link right down below. Okay? And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Smack up the like to a no-time high for Jordan. Okay? Adios. It was the same thing, right? We smacked it to the upside. We came right up to the 800 EMA, and that was the point where we started to come back down lower. Okay, so we need to we need to pay attention here, okay? Because it's the same price action that we did. I know we're getting a little excited, but we need to wait for a little more confirmation. Because quite honestly, Bitcoin has not broken this 800 EMA, right? This consolidation, it came up to it, got rejected back down to the downside, right? If we go up further, we do the same thing. We've done this every single time, man. The price action has been the exact same on the 3 last little consolidation patterns. It's literally ridiculous, man. It's literally ridiculous. So, holy moly, man. What the hell is going... Guys, stop. Who the hell is botting the likes, man? Do not bot the likes, man. Oh, my Lord. You're killing me, man. Stop doing that. Whoever's doing that, stop freaking doing that, man. But we did the same thing up here. Okay, same type of pattern up here where we sort of, if you look at up here, if we look up here, okay, we had this downtrend of resistance coming down like this. We broke out here. It was the same thing. We came up to the 800 EMA. We got one move up to it. We got rejected, came up again. You got above it. Then you just smacked right back to the downside, all right? So we need to watch this level because this is a level that we struggle with every single time we seem to find and start building a base, okay? We've done this every single freaking time, okay? So I hate to be the Debbie Downer, and I hate to be the guy who's like, all right, this is not going to continue up, which it could, but you can't get excited yet. You gotta wait for this break of the 800 EMA, man. All right, you gotta wait for it. You gotta wait for it, man. I'm telling you, you gotta wait for it because what we typically see when we come up to this 800 EMA is this guy. Okay, we see this guy, and we've talked about this the last couple times. We don't want to see Bart Simpson push it back down to the downside. That's not what we want to see. We don't want to see Bart Simpson, man. We don't want to see Bart Simpson again. The biggest channel in the interwebs. I am such a good guy. Guys, Bart Simpson is a low IQ idiot. We are not pumping back down to the downside. You need to get this low IQ idiot off the screen. TJ, can you get rid of Bart Simpson? Get rid of Bart Simpson right now, okay? Get rid of Bart Simpson right freaking now. You need to do it. Get rid of him. Get rid of him. But, BitBoy, we can't get rid of Bart Simpson. He's all over the screen. That's all Bitcoin does is use a Bart Simpson. We're screwed. We can't get rid of Bart. He's awesome. People think he's funny. He's funnier than you. What? Did you just say that Bart Simpson's funnier than me? Is that what you just said? You're fired. You're absolutely fired. Get off here. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. No, but we don't want to see that same thing again. Now, like we said, man, if for whatever reason, if we go to say the 4-hour time frame, which I guess the 4-hour time frame doesn't look that shady yet, but we need to pay attention to this. Okay, right now, I mean, as it stands, okay, this could change in literally 5 minutes. If for 5 minutes they want to dump this, all right, this could change. But right now we are holding this previous resistance point, and we are flipping that into support here. Okay, which is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. But that could change in literally like 5 minutes. So let's pay attention there. Hold on, let me take a sip of my girly Coors Light. Hold on. You guys love to make fun of the Coors Light, man. Hold up. Man. You guys love to make fun of the Coors Light. What you guys up to tonight? Let me know. Colton said, Jordan, my birthday is tomorrow. Happy freaking birthday, Colton. Everyone say happy birthday to Colton in the chat. I love it, man. I love it. What are you guys up to this Friday? All right? Bitcoin's being a little boring right now. It is what it is. The daily time frame. I will say again, sort of the same price action that we've seen up here again. I mean, you know, you guys know I don't like to repeat myself, but I mean, it is what it is. We're kind of in the same spot we were this morning. We have the W pattern, which is the formation that we want to see, right? We have it. We've gotten above the neckline. We came back down to retest today, but it is not confirmed. Once again, it is not confirmed until we see the continuation back up to the upside, okay? We need to see that continuation. We need to see it, all right? So let's wait to see once again, but right now, once again, nothing's really changed, okay? We're still in a bear flag, right? We still have higher highs. We still have higher lows, just like we did here, just like we did here, okay? And just like we've done countless times in bear markets, right? So nothing's really changed. For me to get super excited, okay, just like Rover, for me to get super excited, all right, I need to see this. Okay. Ultimately, I need to see this back test, and I need to get out of this bear flag. Okay. As long as we stay in this bear flag, nothing has changed. If we can pump and we can get out of this bear flag, all right, all is good. We might continue up higher. But until then, man. So you got some shady price action here in the 15-minute time frame. I guess that's Friday afternoon for you. I guess, you know. Likes are going to the moon. Yeah, I don't know who's doing that, man. It's freaking annoying, man. Stop doing that, bro. Stop doing that. It's gonna get me shadow banned, and it's just like it's slightly annoying, to be honest. Stream tomorrow AM. Yeah, Waterfly. I got you on the stream tomorrow AM. We'll probably do like 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, so I can get a little bit of sleep. Well, I usually stream at 8:30. I guess that doesn't really change much. But yeah, 9 a.m. tomorrow, man. There's no volume? Yeah, I mean, there was volume earlier today, but you are right. You are right. Let's see what Alex Becker has to say, man. I mean, quite frankly, you guys know what I'm looking for. Bitcoin's being slightly boring at the moment. Let's see what Alex Becker has to say, because he has a lot to say on Twitter right now. Come on, Alex. Come on to the stream, man. What's going on, guys? It's Alex Becker, the most handsome man on YouTube. Okay, I am freaking handsome, and all you guys are ugly because you don't go to the gym and you don't invest correctly. Okay? It's quite as simple as that. You guys don't go to the gym, you guys don't invest your money correctly. You guys invest like freaking idiots. Okay? Now, I'm seeing a bunch of bearish price action, a bunch of bearish sentiment right now. Guys, right now is the time you want to be accumulating. Okay? You friggin' idiots are gonna, whoever you guys aren't accumulating right now, you friggin' idiots are gonna be the ones who end up FOMOing at the top again, right? Because you're too scared to buy at the lows. Okay? You guys wanted another chance to buy at a bear market. You are getting it right friggin' now. Okay? If you want to be as handsome as me and as rich as me, okay, and be able to do anything you want every single day, you need to invest at times like these. Okay? Don't wait until the market goes back up and you end up FOMOing to Shiba Inu again at all-time highs. You need to be investing in good projects, doing research right friggin' now. That's what you need to be doing, okay? And don't be salty at me just because you're ugly and you're poor, okay? If you don't want to be poor, you need to go right now, okay? You need to invest right friggin' now. Ridiculous, man. People sitting on their friggin' fingers up their ass because they don't want to friggin' invest when the prices are low. Because they're freaking scared like a bunch of idiots. Okay, have fun FOMO at the highs, idiots. All right, see it. I used to not like Alex Becker, now I do. You know why? Because Alex Becker doesn't have a filter, and I absolutely love it. He just shits on people, which I actually generally respect, other than just sugarcoating literally everything like everyone else does. But yeah, so thank you, Alex. Thank you, Alex, for saying what everyone wants to kind of say, all right? Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. No, but in all seriousness, man. Let's see. Clint said 9 a.m. Let's see. Everyone, please sell everything right now and buy back in 1 year. Could do that. You definitely could do that. I feel bullied. He's not wrong, though. Like he talks a lot of shit, but he's not wrong, guys. He's not wrong. All right, let's see what we got here. Come on, man. Who had to do that to the likes? You got me shadow banned. I can tell by how many people are in here right now that that like thing got me shadow banned. You friggin' idiot, whoever did that. You are really an idiot. All right, let's go over a few different things here. So I want to kind of look at what we did here, okay? I want to look at what we did here. So Bitcoin, let's look at the monthly chart for Bitcoin. And the reason why I want to do that is because a lot of different things that, you know, I was playing around with some indicators and stuff like that. And guys, you guys know, I mean, what really matters right now is the Fed not being so bearish right now. We know that. I'm saying that every single day. I am quite honestly, man, as much as I hate to say it, I'm freaking sick of talking about the Fed. I'm sick of talking about rate hikes. I'm sick of talking about this bullshit. But and quite honestly, I have to freaking talk about it, okay? I have to. You know, you got until that changes, and nothing's really changed. Bitcoin goes up and down, but it ends up going lower every single time. But here's the thing, all right? A couple of different things I'm looking at here, all right? We know we talk about the hash ribbons. The hash ribbons actually, we got the capitulation flash on the hash ribbon signal, which means miners are capitulating. We know that's one of the first steps we want to see in a bear market in order to come back and then flip somewhat bullish, okay? We want to see that capitulation flash on the hash ribbons. All right. The other thing I'm watching for is this is the free market cipher, but I use the yellow indicator here. It is what it is. I'm looking for this to come back and start flipping back into the positive here. Right now, you're kind of still at the lows, but if you look at where the lows have been in the past, right, December 2018, that was the bottom when we were kind of at the same point. And if you look back in the past, when we bottomed here in 2014, we still went lower for a few months, but we bottomed like 3 months after that. Okay. So I don't think the bottom is in yet. I've been telling you guys that. Even though we are getting a little bit moved to the upside, still don't think the bottom is in. But a couple different interesting things that I'm seeing on the charts too is we have talked about this Gaussian channel on the monthly. All right, the top of this Gaussian channel on the monthly has been some support in the past, right? Support right here, and right down here we had support down here in like 2014 and 2015. Okay. So we had some support down here, all right? That's what I'm looking for. And actually, as we said this in the past, the monthly Bollinger Bands, okay? The monthly Bollinger Bands, that we actually hit the monthly Bollinger Bands, the bottom, for the first time ever in actually Bitcoin's history, if I may go back and backtest this again. But the first time in Bitcoin's history, we hit the bottom of the monthly Bollinger Bands, which was absolutely nuts, okay? It's absolutely nuts. You shouldn't be touching the monthly of the Bollinger Bands on an asset like BTC. But yeah, here we are at the bottom, right at the top of the Gaussian channel too. So there's a lot of interesting things at this current level we're currently at. Obviously, we have the previous all-time highs sitting right here. There's so much shit, if I'm going to be completely honest, right? Bob can tell you too. There is literally so much shit at the top right here. Look at this blue line. Look at this green line. The previous all-time high sitting right there too. I usually like to shit on Jordan, but he's right. There's so much shit and shiza and piss and everything shit sitting right at the top of here. Okay? There's so much support. We're gonna hold this level. The bottom is in. Shiba Inu to the freaking moon. There's so much shit sitting right there, right? But it's an interesting point. It is an interesting point to see the confluence of everything coming in right at this level, right? It's definitely interesting. So that's what I have to say about that. Bitcoin 21,895. Let's see if we can get a little bit of move to the upside here. Let's see. At least we're bouncing off the 50, right? I mean, we all said all is good. We're holding the 50 EMA as we speak. So right now, all is good. 21,900. All right, we know Java's liquidation price is 22,200. If there's any chance that we come up to test 22,200 tonight, let me know in the chat. I think there is. I'm going to actually look at this poll. Will Bitcoin close Sunday above 22K? It's 50-50 right now. 50 freaking 50, man. That's absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. T-Money said, how do you have that many likes? I don't want to talk about it, man. I don't want that many likes. Whoever's doing that is an idiot. It doesn't... hopefully someone's doing that for good, but it doesn't help. It doesn't help at all. When YouTube can tell if they're fake. All right, there we go. So that's that. Let me actually adjust this. I don't know why this got all jacked up there. But, yeah, 22,927. Let's see what we got here, man. Do we have any juice to come up right now? Let's see. What Bob agrees with Jordan, he needs his... Clint, get out of here, man. Let's see. Smash the likes. Yeah. Smash the likes for the boring price action on this Friday, man. We'll see how long we end up staying here today. All right. Let's see. I mean, everything I kind of talked about. I mean, we saw the 200 SMA. The 200 SMA is right here. We know that's sitting at 22,564. We'd like to get a weekly close above that. Is it the end of the world if we close back above it? I would argue no. I know everyone's going to make a huge fuss like, oh my God, we're back above the 200 SMA. Okay? I will say this. Just like we sliced through it to the downside, we can slice through it to the upside. To me, it's like, we expected to be some support. And Bitcoin just went right to the downside. Okay? So... is this as significant of a level that we thought it was? Maybe not. Okay. maybe it could act as resistance now. We drop below, we come up, act as resistance, then we continue down, right? But it wasn't that big of a level. It wasn't that big of a level at the current moment, you know? Let's see. You think lots of movement this weekend? It depends what BTC does tonight, I think, because like we said, the last few times it's came up to this 800 EMA, man. I know we like to meme the EMAs, but the EMAs don't lie, bro. The EMAs don't lie. The last 2 times it came up here, one hit, dump. One hit, dump. Okay, we can continue up. Hit, dump. Okay, every single time we come up to this 800 EMA. Really since we started the bear market. We continue up. Couldn't get back above it here. We dumped. Let's see. We got one little pump above it here. Try to come back down and test it as support. Dumped. Right? Came up to it right here. Dumped. So, I mean, listen. Like, last time, right here, dumped. Right here. Oh, sorry. That wasn't it. Wait, yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. Sorry. Right here, dumped. Right here, dumped. But you guys get the point. Like, really, since April, we've struggled with that level. So, let's pay attention to it. It's going to tell us a lot when we get back up to this level, if we come back up and test it again. All right, history shows that we probably come back up and test it. All right, so let's get back over to current price action. And let's watch some current price action, man, because it's going to tell us a lot. There's a lot of how should I word this, man? There's a lot of, how should I word this? A lot of contradicting signals on the chart at the moment. So I want to see how this reacts. Like, I know everyone and their mother's looking at every single indicator in the world. To me, it doesn't matter if Bitcoin can't break this. Okay? To me, it doesn't matter. We talked about how, 4-hour flip to support. So I'm not going to spend too much time on the shit we already talked about, So it is what it is. So you're saying it dumped? Dumped. It dumped, Mom. Let's see. George, you think we are in a bear market? Sergio, that is a great question, my friend. Do I think we are in a bear market? No. We are not in a bear market. Bitcoin's gone all the way from 69K to 17K, but we are still in a bull market. Okay, Bitcoin's dropped 75% to the downside. But I remain to say that Bitcoin is still in a bull market. This is just a bearish trend. Yeah, just ignore the war that's going on behind us. Just ignore inflation going rampant in every single country. Ignore that Europe, their whole government just quitting on them. Ignore gas prices 2x. Ignore everything you've ever seen in the world. We are still in a bull market. This is a bearish trend, and we will go to new all-time highs in 2022. Okay? So let's freaking go to the moon.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Now, let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. Strap on. Strap on. I miss the times where George was saying strap on. I do. I do miss those times. I can't wait till George is like happy every day and he's saying strap on. The market is more fun when George is happy, okay? I will say. The market is a lot more fun when George is happy, right? I think everyone can kind of agree with that, You guys agree? Yes or no? I bet some of you guys are having fun with the bear market. Let's see. The bull market never ends, I guess. All right, 21,950. Bitcoin slowly making its way back to the upside here. All right, we need all the Vikings in the chat right now. We're having some fun tonight, man. It's Friday. We all know what we're waiting for here. All right, I think everyone that watches my channel knows that, we know what we're waiting for. Okay, so I need all the bulls in the chat. I want to liquidate Java tonight. I don't want to wait any longer to liquidate Java again. So here we go. If everyone in the chat right now spams the sword and shields, we are going to smack 22,200 tonight, okay? I will make it happen. I will sign it. I'm just kidding. But I will make it happen, all right? So let's go. All my bulls in the chat. This is the time we've been waiting for. We've getting destroyed by the 800 EMA troll. Literally 6 times in this bear market. If we wish to take our lands back and destroy all the goats, we must destroy the 800 EMA. Even if you are a short-term bull to take profits higher. Spam the swords, spam the shields in the chat. And we will break 22,200 tonight. With all the force that we've been holding back for years. So all my short-term bulls, all my long-term bulls, and all the salty bulls. Let's friggin' spam the swords and shields in the chat. Let's go! Wait! Can I come? Can I come to war? Hey, Viking guy! Can I join? I am a bull. Do you want me to help? I can help too! Look at me! I look strong! I look smart! Maybe I can be a general! Can I come help?
If you were George, will you shave all your hair?
We do not want you. No! We do not want you, horse guy! Get out of here! You cannot help us! You are a mere peasant! Get back in your hole! No one wants horse guy to help. But 21,942. No, but in all seriousness, it'd be fun if we can break this on Friday night, you know? It'd be a lot of fun. It'd be a lot of fun, you know? You can carry the water. Should we sell at support? I mean, you can sell at support if you want to. I don't know if you want to, though. You know? General Chaos? Oh, Lord. All right. What else we got? What else we got here? Excuse me. Holy moly, man. I think the one thing that we can maybe pay attention to here is the pi cycle bottom indicator. And this may be something that's maybe pointing to Bitcoin not going significantly higher. We got this that's supposed to cross in the next couple weeks, man. So let's say Bitcoin does breaks 22K. Let's say it goes up to 23K, 24K, right? And we get the pi cycle bottom, the indicator that crosses, all right? The issue is with that, all right? The issue is with that we're going to see is we got these that are going to cross. Now, this doesn't have to mark a bottom. It's just one indicator. But it's marked a bottom in the past. I know Wayne showed me a daily one that I actually really like too that already crossed. But I want to see confluence. And I'm very interested to see when these cross, if it's actually going to work out. I'm very, very interested, to be honest. So we got those crossing relatively soon. Total market cap, sort of in the same position. We talked about this on the member stream today, where total market cap still holding all-time highs, right? 2018 all-time highs. Total market cap still sitting right above. And we got the W pattern that's in formation. It's just... you got to break that neckline of the W formation to get pumped, you know? And we haven't broken that yet. That's at 967 billion. We need to get it back above that level. And, I'll keep saying the same thing, but you need to get back above that level, retest, and continue up, right? You need to get back above that W neckline. I mean, we said it a million times, but that's what you need to do if you want to be any type of bullish right now. Freaking God. Jordan, you literally sound like Carl the Moon, shilling your W patterns. You sound like Carl the Moon that's literally shilling Bybit. Have you seen me listen to Carl the Moon? My God, man. Like, look at this.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made a 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link.
We know! You like Bybit! Oh! Shiza, man. Hold on. There we go. Oh, whoa! Hold on. We're all type of jacked up here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Why is this all jacked up? Oh, my Lord. Oh, Lord, man. Look what happened to the screen. This ain't good. This ain't good, man. I'm gone. I'm literally gone right now. Hold on. What's going on with this? Let's go over here. Let's go back over here. Oh, come on, man. Activate. Bro. What's going on here, man? I guess Bob was so ugly that he broke the snap camera, man. Holy moly, man. Shit, man. All right. I don't know what's going on here, man. We might have to do it without the. I know you guys are gonna kill me right now, but we might have to do the rest of the stream without the camera, unless it decides to come back on. I feel naked like this. How do people stream like this, man? Do I actually have to be serious? I can't be serious. Hey, at least I can drink my Coors and you can't see me drink it. That's good. I don't know what's going on there, man. That crap got all type of jacked up. Do I actually have to do this with no... All right, I guess we're rocking and rolling with no camera right now. This is not good. This is not good. I feel like Tino. Someone said it's like Tino. Yeah, I feel naked like this. This doesn't feel right to me. How do people stream with no camera? I don't know. It is what it is. I guess we're gonna have to do this right now with no camera. Let me try to reset it one more time, man. You know, that's the problem with live streaming. When you have an issue live, you have to awkwardly try to fix it while everyone watches you, and it's just like this awkward thing. Hold on, you guys want to see me like in a sketchy way? Hold on, watch this. This is actually gonna work? No. We'll try one more thing here, man, while we watch Bitcoin. 21,910, by the way. We're trying to fix the camera right now. It's not going too well. Why is it like this? Good said Jesus. Hold on. Let me switch it to this. Hey, look at this. I'm sitting on the toilet bowl. This is kind of weird. I don't like this. Let me go over here. I don't know, man. Yeah, guys, I might have to call it quits. No, I'm not calling it quits, but it's either we got the toilet cam, which is like this. This is the toilet cam. I don't know if I like this. It's kind of weird. We got the toilet cam, or we got nothing. You guys can choose. In the meantime, we'll keep it nothing. You guys can choose what you want to see. Nothing or toilet cam. Let me know. Turn it off and turn it back on again. Let me try to turn it back off and turn it back on again. Hold on. All right. Let's plug it back in. Thanks, Tech Wizard. You ever call like the tech, like tech help or something, and they tell you, the first thing they tell you is, did you turn it back on? Did you turn it on and turn it back off? Like, no shit, man. Like, you could, a monkey could have told me to turn it back on and off. You don't think that's the first thing people try? It's like, holy shit, man. All right, let's do this. The toilet cam. Let's do this. Yeah, it's still jacked up. Toilet cam? All right, we'll do toilet cam. I don't like this, though. It's shady. Like, look at this down here. It just looks so, it looks so bootleg. All right, we're gonna do toilet cam. This looks so bootleg. All right, but anyways, we're gonna miss the daily dump. We'll find out. No, but right now, man. So 21,896. That's how stupid people are. No shit. Make sure to wait 15 seconds. Thanks, smartass. All right, 21,890. Man, Bitcoin's being just boring today. There's not a ton to go over today. You know, I noticed that people who did videos today, they made like 15-minute videos when they normally do long ones just because there's nothing going on today. Let's see. What else we got? Yeah, I mean, we're just kind of waiting on Bitcoin. I mean, we can just, it's Friday, man. We can just cool out, shoot the shit. I mean, it is what it is. Alt F4. If you're going to use the toilet cam, use the fart sounds. Bob's taking a shit right now. See what Bob's doing in his room? Actually. That's all type of jacked up. Hold on. No, it's not going to work. Dude, I can't use... Let me update one more thing here. Let me see. This works. There we go. And then let's go here. We're going to update one more thing, guys. Hold on. One more thing. Here. And then we're going to go back to here. Then we're going to go back to here. All right, screw this. Guys, we got to go no cam for the rest of the day. I'm just wasting everyone's time. There we go. All right. There we go. I tried. But yeah, 21,888. We're kind of just hanging out with Bitcoin, man. That's what we're doing today. Somehow we have 1,886 likes. You guys are crazy, man. I'm just kidding. Those are totally not legit. I wish they were. QM said...
Toilet cam is pretty awesome.
Crypto Shock said, when Lambo, boss? Bro, when Lambo? Jordan, we already got a Lambo. You can't see me, but I literally already got a Lambo. You guys are a bunch of idiots. Let's see. Let's see. Thank you, Jabba. Thank you, you idiot. All right, let's see. If you were George, will you shave all your hair? If I were George, would I shave all my hair? Do you want the honest answer or you want the nice answer? No, I mean, listen. All right, so when some people are balding, right? When some people are balding, okay? They like to keep, you know, the little, you know, the little cove, which is fine. If you want the cove, you want the cove. Okay? I mean, there's nothing wrong with the cove. If you think it looks good, that's awesome. I mean, it's all about how you rock everything. If you're confident in what you look like, awesome. But in the meantime, you know, would I shave if I had the cove? The answer is yes. Okay? I would probably do it, man. I would probably do it. The honest answer, I would just go bald, but that's just me, you know. Everyone's different. All right, let's see what Bitcoin's doing here still. If you close your eyes, it's not so bad. We'll probably stay on to the daily close tonight, man. Right now, Bitcoin's just chilling. If we actually, let's go to like the 5-minute chart. Let's look at some stuff on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, 5-minute chart's just oscillating above every moving averages. Above every moving average. Just sitting above the 200 EMA here in the 5-minute. So nothing crazy is really going on there. Peter said toilet cam is pretty awesome. It is pretty awesome, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's see. All right, yeah, but the 5-minute time frame. If we want something that we could watch here, at least, we got something like this. Boom. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. A little bit of symmetrical triangle action. At least we can watch on stream. See if we can break out of this on the little 5-minute chart. That might get us a little move to the upside. All right. Get us move to the upside. All right, awesome. Come up here and liquidate Java. Well, at least something that we can watch here in the short-term time frames. Right now, if we look at, say the 15-minute time frame, if we want to get deep and dirty here in the 15-minute time frame, all right? I mean, this is really just an interesting range because I can see it go either way, you know? I can really see it go either way. I mean, you got the M formation structure, right? That's forming here at the top, but it's not so easy to say because you have sort of an M formation structure, but it's not very clean, and you still got, if you look up, right, you still got some interesting areas to come up to, right? You got this red vector candle here that you can come up to and take. You got a little wick up to it already, but you got this red vector candle and you got this wick up here that Bitcoin can come back up to this zone if it wants to. But at the same point, you got these vector candles down here to come back down and take to. So, which is also right at the 200 EMA. So, what do we think is going to happen, right? Let me ask you guys in the chat. Which direction do you think we're going to go in the short term? You think we're going to go back up and take these highs again? Or you think Bitcoin's going to come back down and test this 200 EMA on the 15-minute time frame? All right? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. I am very, very curious what you guys think. Let me see. 1 vote for 1 minute time frame. It's always more vectors. Oh, you gotta love the vectors, man. 21,909. So right now, like I said, we're just making higher highs. Lower highs, higher lows. Just oscillating here in the 15-minute time frame. You know? And like we said, we got important moving average up here. We got an important moving average down here. It's really whichever way they want to bring price next. Okay? And I'm waiting for that breakout to see which way they want to bring price next. Overall, if they bring it up, okay, we still have this stupid 800 EMA, okay? And if they bring it down, if they bring price down, you just don't want to see them break the M formation right here. You don't want to see them break 22,200. If we start to come back down again, and this $22,200 level breaks, you're probably looking at Bart Simpson back down to the downside, man. You're probably looking for at least a retest back down to these vector candles down here, and also a retest of this trend line here. You know, so a lot. We are at a very interesting point going into the weekend, right? The weekends are always kind of wishy-washy, shady. Okay, and I could see this going either way. I could see this being like a fake pump weekend where we pump back above this just to dump on Monday. And I can also see the point where during the weekend they just want to, you know, they want to bring price back down like they seem to do on some weekends, right? So we're definitely at an interesting point on the charts. If I had to actually talk about what I'm kind of looking at here right now, this is definitely a no trade zone for me. Definitely a no trade zone. I'm not in any long or short position at the moment. That's for sure. Can't see, bro. You can see. You guys sad you can't see me? You miss me that much? Holy moly, you guys say I look like an idiot every day. A clown. And then when I'm gone, you guys miss me. It's quite sad. It's quite sad that you guys miss me. I appreciate it, though. Drew said I suspect a Bart, to be honest. Yeah. Do you guys have any positions? Do you guys have a long position, short position in? Let me know what you guys think. I like to know what you guys are doing, too. Because, and honestly, I always tell you guys this. I'm just another guy up here who sits up here talking, right? And which everyone is on YouTube or on Twitter or anywhere, right? So I like to know what you guys are doing too. You guys have long shorts in. You guys plan on, what's your plan at the current moment? You guys plan on shorting the 800 EMA back test here again? If we do come back up and test it? Let me know what you guys think. Jordan is gone. I know I'm gone, man. The camera just like shit the bed. Right, the camera's fine. It shows up in the app, but it's not going through the Streamlabs. So you guys know how rude Streamlabs is. Remember that one time Streamlabs came in the stream and then absolutely was just destroying everyone? Was just kicking this person. That was awesome. That was one of the best streams ever when Streamlabs was just going nuts, kicking everyone for no reason. Oh, you use caps? Out. Oh, you used 10 words instead of 9? Out. Oh, you said Bitcoin? Out. Those are the best streams. They were. Let's see. Tino would be proud. Oh, when I don't have the cam, I actually have to do TA, you know? All right, let's see what else we got. And it's the same thing on the daily time frame, right? If we want to zoom out, we talked about this earlier, but for everyone that's coming in now, I mean, nothing's changed. We are just in another bear flag, you know? And quite honestly, if I had to predict what's going to happen next, I'm going to be honest. Maybe I'm wrong, but if I had to predict what's going to happen next, I'm just expecting Bitcoin to get rejected from this range again and just come back down to the bottom here again. if I'm going to predict what I think is going to happen next. Once again, I'm just one guy, but I mean, this is the price action that we've seen consistently every single time. Every single freaking time. And every single time we look up and go, oh, we got red vector candles looking up on the daily. Awesome. We're probably going to come back up and take that. And Bitcoin says, okay. Oh, we have red vector candle up here on the daily. Bitcoin probably comes up and takes that. And Bitcoin says, all right. So nothing's changed on the daily. Okay. Things can change. But as of right now, as long as we stay in this channel, nothing has changed. Okay. Zero has changed. But I do hope Java gets liquidated here. I do hope Java gets liquidated at 22,200. I really, really hope so. Nothing has changed, as we like to say.
Nothing has changed.
Savvy was on BitBoy's channel today. He actually did a good job. I actually like Savvy today on the channel. Savvy was a very, very nice guy on the channel today. If you guys watch BitBoy, Savvy was on there today. Talking about his Amazon fractal. You know, all his fun stuff. Target is, he said 3K to 6K. Hey, that's what he thinks. That's what he thinks. It is what it is. You know? Let's see.
Never trust a tall guy that doesn't show his face. Tears of joy, tears of joy.
Let's see. He literally got shadow banned. Well, that's what happens when you someone does it to the like button, man. Never trust a TA guy that doesn't show his face. Well, you already know what my face looks like, so I guess that doesn't totally work out. I don't know. Maybe people take me more seriously without my face. You know, I don't know. I'm just kidding. We ain't gonna do that. Shorting is way too popular these days. That's very, very true. Very, very true. All right. Matic's going nuts right now, by the way. Let's go check out some alts. Matic is up. Is this legit? Hold on. Did I see Matic is up almost 10% right now? Yeah, look at Matic. All right, so Matic. Let's get the pub song going for Matic. Even though you can't see me dance, you guys can dance though. Let's get it. Watch this, we're serious. Hey, look at Matic, man. Coming back up to test the top here. Let's get it. Yeah, but Matic getting like a 9% move to the upside. I actually just saw that on the side there. Matic is sort of the same deal. We want to get back above the W formation neckline right there, right? So you got 63 cents. Okay, 63 cents is the level watching for Matic. We're right at that 50 EMA, so just be careful there. But, you know, it's sort of the same deal. So some nice price action there on Matic. I know a lot of people use that. The pump song is the short song in the bear market, you know. But, you know, you do have the formation you're looking for. You just got to get back above 63 cents now. You get back above 63 cents. Awesome. We can work on the back test and we can get the continuation. But nice little move there from Matic, man. Nice little move there from Matic. It's quite beautiful if you ask me. Quite beautiful if you ask me. Maybe I have to take some profits on Matic after the stream. I don't know. But that's a nice move considering that Bitcoin ain't doing shiza. You know? Daniel said, Matic, let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. 1 hour time frame. Still continue up. I would say just be careful here. You are building some bearish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. You do have some higher highs coming in, and you got some lower highs coming in on the RSI. So just be careful as of now. This can change, okay? You are coming right at resistance with bearish divergence. So just be a little bit wary of this move at the current moment. But that's a nice move to the upside. Nice stuff. I missed the dumb music. Could be once, my good sir. The dumb music. Well, right now we're not dumping. Whale talk, you know. Let me test the camera again. I miss you guys. I do miss you guys, and I have to try the camera again. Let's see. See if we can get this to work, man. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go to camera. Let's change this to snap camera. Activate. Why is it doing that, man? Doesn't make any sense. Brio? This doesn't make any shiza, man. Deactivate. Activate. Oh! It's not the one you guys want. It's not the one you guys want. But at least you can see me a little bit over here. Alright, you guys got to deal with the shady camera today. Let's see if I can fix this one more time here. Now let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, we're making some progress here. This is why we do IT here. Okay? That's why we do IT. No, we don't want that. We want this to be this. Come on, man. All right, it's not the camera you guys want, but at least you guys can see me, you know? At least you guys can see me. It's not the one you guys want, though. Yeah, you got but at least you can see me, okay? We're not gonna be able to have any guests with this one on, but at least you guys can see me, so it's not awkward. Because I don't like you guys not being able to see me. So let's stress this out a little bit. All right, you guys can at least see me. Congratulations. We got the non-awkward camera back on a little bit here. So there we go. Congratulations. All right, at least you guys can see me here. We can't have any guests on right now, though. We're going to fix that tomorrow. But, yeah. So we can hang on and talk. Let's hang on and talk while we watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just kind of trying to hold the 50 EMA. Just consolidating in this little pattern here. So, let me see. TA? TA, Drew. Exactly. TA, man. TA. TA total bullocks. Let's see. I trust this guy. I totally trust this guy. If you guys saw me on the street, would you go, this guy looks totally trustworthy? What would you guys say if you saw me on the street? I think I look pretty trustworthy. You know? I personally think I look pretty trustworthy. You might disagree. Okay? But I think I looked pretty trustworthy. That's what I say about me. It's all oh man, this is all type of jacked up. You have to deal with the fuzzy camera though. Let's see. 6 minutes until daily close. Yeah, 6 minutes until the daily close. Alex, that's awesome, man. Just because you are really a showman, hopefully the best you, buddy. Sorry for my English, I'm French. That was actually pretty good, man. That was pretty good English for you there, man. How many cameras do you and Maya have? I'm hearing 3. Oh, we got 3 over here. We got a couple in the bedroom for some interesting videos. No, I'm just playing. Or am I? Am I playing? Am I playing? I don't know. You look not trustworthy, but blurry. I would give you some spare change. Drew said I trust Jordan. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, Drew, man. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, Drew. Ask Becker to fix your camera. No, Becker's too rich and good looking for me. He would never fix my camera, you know? All right, so let's look at this poll again. Well, Bitcoin closed Sunday above 22K. 51% said yes, 49% said no. So, interesting stuff there. Heyo Jesus said, never trust a guy that doesn't show his face. That's very true, Jesus. Appreciate that. And Daniel said, Matic, let's freaking go. Let's freaking get busy, said Daniel. I love it, man. Let's see. Did you just Google to have fixed snap camera? Oh, I'll fix it tomorrow, man. That's the problem with live streams, you know, is you can't kind of fix things on the fly. All right. Let's talk some stuff. Let's just hang out, man. It's Friday. It's freaking Friday, man. You know, we've talked so many different charts here. If you got any questions, let me know. If you got any interesting stuff, let me know in the chat. We'll do some Q&A, as George would say. Let's just do some Q&A. Ask me any question. It could be crypto related, non-crypto related. Let's just hang out and do some Q&A because we've talked about everything we can talk about. You know, I think everything has to be said has been said. All right. So let's do some Q&A. I want some fun questions in the chat. I want to have fun. It's Friday night. Let's do it. Let's do it. 22,900 on the way. It better be. Let's see. Literally one chart. Sus look. ETH. ETH is in the same spot as BTC. You know, literally in the same spot as BTC. Do I go fishing? I like to fish for sure. I do like to fish. I actually did not go fishing this past weekend, but I do like to fish though. Sometimes it can be boring. Sometimes you just kind of sit there and you try to fish. But normally I would go fishing, but I need some beers. I can't just sit there and fish. I need to be doing something. If I'm, I need to be doing something while I'm fishing. At least what I'll say. So yeah, same thing for ETH as BTC. You're kind of just sitting at this resistance level here. You're kind of just chilling. If we go to the super short-term time frames for ETH looks like it is trying to potentially break down. All right, we're getting some price action on BTC. Finally, man. Holy moly. Here we go. Dump it. Here we go, man. Coming back down to the downside. It was ETH that gave it away. Let's do the 15-minute closes here. Let's see where it closes. Hourly time frame. Are you going to come back down to the 50 EMA again? Because quite honestly, what we sort of said is you don't want to come back down and break 22,200. If you come back down and break 22,200, you're most likely coming back down to this like $20,500 range, which is a decent sized move, about a 3% move there. So let's watch. Let's watch. Looks like Bitcoin is trying to come back down into Goblin Town. Not so much Goblin Town, but you get the point. Do any fun New England things this summer? Well, I just went to New Hampshire. We went on a lake. We were supposed to go on a river. We didn't go because we were supposed to go on a river, but someone we were supposed to go with ended up getting way too hammered, and they were way too hungover to go, and we didn't go, so we ended up staying at the lake. But no, I'm going to Poland in September, so that'll be fun. That'll be fun. And but other than that, I mean, I don't have too many plans coming up, to be honest. But it'll be fun. It'll be fun. So, Bitcoin at the moment. Let's see if it can hold at least these lows here. These little wick lows. Break these little wick lows. Got some vector candles coming back down here to take, my friends. The 200 EMA and this blue vector candle down here. Yeah, we could come back down here and take. All right. So let's watch this. Let's watch this. Probably going to be a nothing burger. But if it does come back down there, like we said here, we don't want to complete the M formation. Okay? We don't want to get the rise up, the rise down, the rise up. We don't want to come back down and break this. Okay? We don't want to come back down here and break this. If we come back down here and break this M formation, come back down to 20,500. If there's any chance you want to see Bitcoin hold here, man, even right here, I would love to see this level hold. Let's bring up our Fibonacci levels. So swing low to swing high. So we have the golden pocket right at the bottom of this range here. If it comes back down here, I mean, a double bottom right here at the golden pocket wouldn't be too shabby. I would not mind that whatsoever. So let's see if Bitcoin at least holds this. If this breaks, you're coming down here. All right, so let's hold. 5-minute red vector candle. Yep. So you got some volume pushing it down here. That's for sure. You gonna visit MM Crypto? Maybe. All right, so 20,600. Are we going to hold this level or are we going to break? Earlier, we did get a perfect bounce off the 618. That's why Fibonacci's are great, too. If you think the swing low to swing high, earlier today on the retrace, you came right to the 618 and bounced beautifully. Let's see if you want to do the same thing here. Let's see. Jordan, you need a pierogi face? Do I need a pierogi face? Listen, man. I've been told that Polish food ain't great. Okay? That's what I've been told. So I will tell you this. Usually I get excited for food on vacation. I'm not that excited for the food. Food's one of the best part of the vacation. You guys know this. But, no, I hope there's some guamkis. I like guamkis. I hope. And I hope there's some, is it donor? Donor, yeah. Hope there's some donor. But I think that's in Germany. No, I think that's in Germany, but I think they have it in Poland too. All right, let's see what we got here. Money for new camera? Thanks, Brian. No, the camera's fine, man. It's just the software is all jacked up here. But I appreciate that, Rod. David said, "What level to short BTC in the short term?" I mean, listen, if I was to put a short in, this is not financial advice. You do what you want to do. Okay, I always got to say that because you never know. It's 2022. If I was to put a short in, me, not you. Okay. If Bitcoin does get a move back up here and test the 800 EMA, I'd probably put in a short in here at the 800 EMA, right? With a stop loss above here, above, because sometimes you get the move above, they hit your stop and then they move it down. That's where I'd be probably looking for my next short. In this range, I'm not looking for shorts in this range. But if for any reason it can come back up, take this wick, come back up here to the 800 EMA, all right, then I'd be looking for some short position to move it back to the downside. But right here, you're kind of just chasing the short, in my opinion. But I mean, everyone has their own strategy. I look to short resistance. I'm not looking to short potential. I mean, right now it's support. I'm not looking to short support. Right? I'm looking to short resistance levels. Let's see. Here we go. Dave, what's going on, man? Bear money from Cali, brother. What's going on, Dave? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Thanks for hanging out, man. Clint said, let's bet $100. You choose the bet. Something quick. You lose, you donate $100 to a charity of your choice. You win, I super chat $100. Man, Clint, I don't know if I want to take you on that, man. Are you sure you want to do that? Because you don't have a good history of bets against me. You know?
Let's bet $100.
Yeah, I don't want to. You don't want to lose no bets against me, man.
$100 to a charity of our choice. You win, I super chat 100.
Very true, Drew. Very true. I would generally agree with you, Drew. I would agree, Drew. We'll say that, man. You understand? I try to be nice sometimes up here. You know? All right. Clint. I'll do a bet with you, my friends. You know why? Because I'm pretty confident in my bets. I've beaten you in like the last 5. All right? Actually, probably the last 10. Let's see what I want to do here. Shit, man. Shit. Shit. Dave, I appreciate it though, man. You're the absolute stud, Dave. Same thing for Clint. Clint's awesome too. Kurt said Chainlink and the graph were quoted on the official website of the World Economic Forum like definitive oracles. What is your opinion? Yeah, I like Chainlink. The graph, you know, it's been stagnant as far as price, but I haven't looked at too much of what's been going on with the graph for quite a while. But you guys know I'm a big fan of Chainlink. I still hold Link. Link's one of the only altcoins I hold. All right. So 21.6. the volume is crazy. Let's bring up the volume real quick. You guys say the volume is crazy right now? Let's see. Let's see. You guys say the volume's crazy? At least on Binance, the volume looks like Shiza. Absolute Shiza. Maybe, I don't know. Unless you're looking at a different exchange. All right, Bitcoin continuing down. We're breaking the 618 fib. We're breaking the 618 fib. I'm trying to think of a quick bet, Clint. It's hard to do it when Bitcoin's already moving, you know? Shiza, man. Shiza. I'm trying to do one that's fair, too. I like fair bets. I don't like doing something like I am just 100% I'm going to win. I like fair bets. Like, if I have potential to bet with someone, and they're just not betting like an idiot, I like to be a fair trade. So, hold on. Let me think of one, Clint. Let me at least wait till Bitcoin settles up here. 21,467.
Dump it.
All right. Here we go. Link the sling. Here we go. Binance is locked up. I lost sound. Oh, don't be trolling me, Red. Don't be trolling me. Get your hands on some... Is that a food, Hamilton? Won't be playing around. Who likes Polish food in the chat? Here we go. Who likes Polish food? Let me know in the chat. I will say, I mean, even if it's not the food I typically eat, I will enjoy it because it's different. Okay, I will enjoy it because it's different. When I went to Spain, I didn't. It's not typically food that I eat, but it was different, so I generally enjoyed it. So yeah, we'll see how that is. All right, so now we're kind of just waiting. We broke the golden pocket zone. Let's see if we can close back above. In theory here, we did come back down and take these vector candles here. In theory, we have the 786 Fibonacci retrace sitting right in the middle of this yellow vector candle here. So I'd be looking at the next level as the 786 retrace at 21,400, you know? You know? So let's wait for that. Clint, we probably should hold it off to a different day, man. We'll do it tomorrow. If Bitcoin's going sideways and just doing absolutely nothing, we'll do it tomorrow. Because then we can kind of do a fair one where Bitcoin's just not going, you know? We can do it when it's ranging sideways. So, Clint, same bet tomorrow. Just remind me, all right? Remind me. And I got you. I 100% got you in that bet, brother. All right. So, the daily close, Bitcoin did get the close above the neckline here, which I look for the closes. So 21,500, Bitcoin did close above there, but you know, it's the same price in that price action that we've seen. We talked about this earlier. It's the same exact price action that we've seen up here, man. Where it's kind of freaky how it's similar it is. Where you get that W breakout, you get that one kind of indecision candle pop up here, but then you see what the next day did. The next day, you just dumped to the downside. I'm actually curious what day this was. It's June 1st. What was June 1st? Let's go back in time here. June 1st was a Wednesday. Okay. So it was a Wednesday. I wanted to see if it was like a Saturday. But yeah, so you get an indecision candle, then you dumped. Right at the top of the bear flag. Kind of a similar thing going on here. Break of the W, indecision candle. What does this next candle hold for us, man? I hope it's not the same thing where we just Bart Simpson back down to the downside. But that's what history's told us. Okay? Came to the top. We don't want to Bart Simpson back down. All right? So let's all hope that we don't get that, you know? Shib strong AF. Red's trying to piss me off, but it's hard. Don't do that, man. Why are you trying to piss me off? Just be nice. Just be nice, man. Listen, I believe in... I'll say this. No, it's not worth getting into that. Everything is green besides BTC? Yeah, at the moment, actually. Ethereum... ETH is trying to hold the 200 EMA in the 15-minute. All right? So nice stuff there, at least temporarily. So ETH is doing fine at the moment. Solana actually dropped, and now is actually trying to retrace pretty hard there. So Solana coming out 3860, not a bad little retrace there in Solana so far. Well, I would say, yeah, actually Solana doesn't look too bad. XRP trying to retrace back up. So some of these trying to retrace immediately back up, or Bitcoin's kind of just hovering. Hovering, as George would say. Doge, hovering. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, I mean everything else is kind of just hovering. Where's my alts? Here's my alts. Matic, still just hovering, holding the 20 EMA. So a lot of these are just. Bitcoin's kind of just is the one that's kind of in a free fall, while looks like altcoins are actually holding up relatively well.
GRT, the World Economic Forum posted about both. Would it be two essential gems? Your opinion?
Let's see.
Monocle?
Kirk said all cryptocurrency projects need Chainlink in the graph. The World Economic Forum posted about both. Would it be two essential gems? Your opinion? I believe in Chainlink. I think Chainlink is essential to a lot of different projects, and that's why I continue to be invested in Chainlink, because at some point regulation's going to come in, okay? And how should I word this? At some point regulation's going to come in, and if I had to bet on something being fine, it would be Chainlink. Would be one of them, right? Because a lot of projects need Chainlink. So it's sort of one of my reasonings. I don't know when that's going to happen. It could happen 5 years from now, 10 years from now. It could happen in 2 weeks. I don't freaking know. But, yeah, I mean, a lot of people call it Chainlink boring, but people forget about Chainlink. Chainlink was one of the best performers in 2020. It didn't do too well in 2021 because it already did well in 2020, right? So, still believe in Chainlink. The graph, like I said, I need to do more research on the graph. All I know is the graph didn't really do much the last. I mean, it went off, and then everything else moved in this last summer, and the graph didn't really do shiza. So that's all I'll say about that. All right, let's see, man. Is Bitcoin trying to have a little trend line here? Coming up like this. Pop. Pop. Okay, Bitcoin, I see you. I see you, man. If you look at Bitcoin at something like this, this is something that we could watch here. You got the 50 EMA coming up. Can this act as a little support coming up here? All right, something like this. We'll see if this holds. Because let's see if you wick down to the 50 EMA, but you hold in this pattern here. Is Chainlink a stock? Is Chainlink a stock? Let's see. Nothing currently makes me money. All right, guys. I'm probably going to end up calling a stream just because I got to get this fixed. Bitcoin... I'll stay on it for a little bit longer. I just don't know what Bitcoin's, if it's going to have any more downside. I'll stay on for a little bit longer. But it's just to watch the short-term price action, you know? Alts are actually holding up pretty well. And the thing is, if Bitcoin can actually bounce here, altcoins are going to be set up to look pretty good. Because altcoins are all pretty close to their W formation highs, you know? So, let's see if Bitcoin can hold up here. All right, let's just chill out, man. It's Friday night. Let's just chill out. Man. All right, we got the new close, new 50-minute close. Let's see if we want to bounce back up here. No, I'm not gonna call it a stream. I faked you guys out, man. You know why? Because I feel kind of naked without Bob, Jabba, and all my friends here. You know, I feel kind of naked. Oh, the fear and greed? Let's check out the fear and greed. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. 24 in the fear and greed. 24. So, I mean, people are still extreme fear. It's kind of funny, though, how much this has gone up, despite where the price is. Like, it's still an extreme fear, but it's actually came up a good amount. And Bitcoin's just kind of at, 21,500. It's funny how like quickly this flips, right? If you looked at, back in June when Bitcoin was at 21,500, it was like, oh my God, it would probably at a 6 on the Fear and Greed Index. Yeah, now we're at a 25. It's just funny how quickly that flips when you're at the same prices. Bitcoin chilling 21,480. You have pit stains. A little bit of pit stains. You sweating your last trade? I actually don't have a trade in right now. If I did, I'd tell you. You guys know I have no shame. I would tell you if I did. Yeah, but the Fear and Greed ads, man. Let's see what we got. True Classic Tees, 34%, 22%, 29%. Not too shabby. 34% is actually pretty good. I've been telling you guys, once again, if you want to get some good t-shirts, if you want to get some new t-shirts, okay, you got to go to True Classic Tees and get the 34% off. You got to do it. Trading.com. Hey, it knows we've been talking about trading, man. I'm telling you, Google is listening to us, and I am fully convinced that Google is listening to us, okay? So just make sure you guys turn off your stuff if you don't want Google to be listening to you, I'm in a Bitcoin short. I think it's going to 19K. There you go, Ellis O'Cray. All right. Bring Clint on. Looks ridiculous like a Bart again. Man, I don't want to see the Bart Simpson, man. That's the last thing I want to see. It's just crazy, man, because the same price action happens over and over and over again. You know how exciting it is? You know how the thing is with this price action, and this is where this gets me, man. If we keep seeing the same pattern over and over and over again, this bear flag over and over and over again, at some point they're going to paint the same pattern, and at some point it's not going to play out the same way, and everyone's going to be in disbelief, man. At some point it's not going to play out the same way. If Bitcoin does do the same thing again, right? Let's say on the daily it paints this bear flag again, right? Like it's done 3 times before, where it dumps here, comes back up maybe again one more time, dumps back to lows. All right, let's say it does something like this. This is just hypothetical, right? It dumps to everyone's talking about 14K. It dumps to 14K or something, something like that. At some point, everyone's going to be so like, oh my God, man, another bear flag, and they're going to paint the same thing again. All right, they're going to bring it up. They're going to do the same thing again. Everyone's going to be calling for the bear flag again, and at some point, it's going to just break out and leave everyone in the dust, and everyone's going to be in disbelief. At some point, could that be now? I mean, maybe it could be, but at some point, I have that gut feeling that's what they're going to do, because everyone's just going to be so laser focused on the same pattern playing out the same way every single time, and then they're just going to fake everyone out again. Is this hypothetical? Yes, it's hypothetical. It's hypothetical, man. And this is usually how bear market bottoms end up playing out, is they paint a similar pattern, but they break it to the upside at some point. And they leave everyone that was kind of waiting for lower prices in the dust. Let's see. They will mark up price until FedPal spits bars again. True. Push up to 1 meal. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing again. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a stream, man. It's Friday night. I gotta get this Shiza fixed, okay? And I'll catch the members in the stream tomorrow, man. There's not a lot going on right now. So tomorrow, member stream. Let's do 9 a.m. 9 a.m. for the member stream. We'll hang out, drink some coffee on Saturday morning. It is what it is today. It is what it is. We can kind of talk about everything we want to talk about. And quite frankly, I feel naked without my friends on here. I do. It feels weird to be on here without my friends. I'm not used to it. You got to cut me some slack. I'm not used to this. I'm used to having my teammates and everyone kind of helping me out, and I'll have them today. Okay, so we're gonna get that sorted. I'll catch my my members at 9 a.m. tomorrow in the morning. We'll talk some charts, all right? And then if I don't see the rest of you guys, well, I'll see you guys on Sunday night for the weekly close. All right? Just be careful this weekend, guys. Weekends can be shady, especially when we're at the 800 EMA on the hourly. So just be careful on the weekends, man. And just be careful you're protecting yourself. And as always, don't be long in it and FOMOing at resistance, man. Can it work out for you sometimes? Abso-freaking-lutely. But a lot of times it's going to get you destroyed. All right? So I'll catch you guys later. Don't do anything I don't do. Don't panic, sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic, sell your crypto. All right? Now for the awkward 10 seconds again. All right? Catch you guys later. 2,000 likes, by the way. It's so fabricated. It's kind of ridiculous if you ask me. All right, hold on, guys. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm playing the drums. But hey, catch you guys later. Peace.